going on, everybody? It's your boy CE Tech Dude here again. Today I'm going to be unboxing and giving you my first impressions on the newly released Galaxy Buds. These came free with pre-orders of the Galaxy S10, or you can buy them for about $140 outright. So I know you're probably tired of looking at my face and want to see what these things look like and maybe even sound like, so let's get down to it. Here we go. Okay guys, now here are the Galaxy Buds. As you can see, pretty minimalist packaging. It's got some specs on the side, 6 hours playtime, pretty sweet. Wireless charging, yes. Nothing really much to it. I'm gonna go ahead and break the seal somehow. I guess I'll just use my finger. Nope. Alright, I'll just do this like the old-fashioned way. I didn't bring anything sharp with me because I'm an idiot. But that's okay, you know, we'll make do. So, almost done. There we go. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Alright, so here they are. These are the white, cased white earbuds. Look at that, pretty sharp. It's got that pearl-esque kind of design on there. It looks pretty sweet. I'm not sure how they look in my ear, probably like a nerd, but I'm gonna do it anyways because I am a nerd. In the box, let's see what else you got in the box. You got bag of little goodies here. You got a charging cable, USB-C. There you go. And you also got a bunch of little ear tips in case you need to change them out, which I probably will because AKG headphones have not always fit me correctly. So go ahead and see how this goes. Alright, I'm going to be pairing the Galaxy Buds with my Moto Z2 Force since I'm using my Galaxy phone to record this video. The pairing should be pretty straightforward. I think all you have to do, let me get this box out of the way, the charging cable, is just open the little pill-shaped box, which should put them in pairing mode. And then if you're not using a Galaxy phone, you're going to have to go to your Bluetooth settings and Galaxy Buds. There they are right there. I'm going to go ahead and push pair. Sure, let's allow it to do whatever you need it to do. And there you go, they are connected. Sorry if you can't see that very well, but it's showing they're connected. On a Galaxy phone, you just open the box and the SmartThings app will come up and say, do you want to pair them? But if you're not using a Galaxy phone, it's a little different setup, but that's pretty easy, I think. All right, now that we got these paired, let's go ahead and stick them in my ear. See if they fit. This is the left one, as you can see by the L right here. So let's go see if they fit real quick. All right, let's go ahead and stick this in my ear here. And actually they fit pretty decently. Just beeped at me, letting me know that it is in my ear, so that's cool. Then let's do the right one as well. This one has an R on it for right. Pretty sweet. Let's go and stick that in my ear. This one just made a noise as well, letting me know that it's paired, or not paired, but in my ear. It's paired with my ear, I should say. All right, so now that that's snug and tight in my ear, let's go ahead and play some music. You can open up Pandora's box. No? Okay. And let's see if it'll play some music real fast. All right, I got some music playing now. Sorry if I'm yelling. I'm trying not to, but right off the bat, I mean, they sound, to me, pretty dang good. Very clear so far. I'm playing some Imagine Dragons. I wish you could hear this as well, but you can't. So you're just going to take my word for it, if that's okay. Can hide. Yeah, love this song. Wait for the bass to drop. Here we go. Here it comes. 3, 2, 1. Bass sounds a little soft to me. Definitely acceptable, but it's not like a Beat headphone where you got that bass like kicked up to the 11. But honestly, sounds pretty sick to me, guys. What do they look like? Look like I have a marshmallow in my ear or something? Little marshmallow buds, little hearing aids. I don't know. I'll see how they work. You know, it's not about what you look like. It's about how they work. If you let people judge you on what you look like, then you're never gonna get anything accomplished in life. So you just gotta embrace who you are, and if it makes you feel good and you like the way they sound, then just go for it, people. And that's the end of my life lesson for the day. Sorry to get all deep on you, but yeah, they sound really good, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I like them. No matter what need be, I don't know the words to this song, but I'm gonna sing anyways. Yeah, let's see if you take one out. Okay, the music stops if you take it out. So let's see if I put it back in. Got the little notification letting me know it's in my ear. Music did not start automatically. How do you... Let's see, how do you play the music? Okay, so you just tap on it, and it plays the music. Tap to pause. Double tap to go to the next song. Triple tap to go to the previous song. You can tap either side. Both of them have the touch sensitive controls on them, so not bad. I mean, honestly, they sound great. I'm going to use these as my daily driver for a while and let you know if anything changes on the way they sound. I'll probably bring you a full review. I don't know if it's really needed or not. I mean, they either sound good or they don't, and to me, they sound pretty decent, guys. I wish I could share the music with you. I don't think I can, though, unfortunately. Yeah, pretty rock solid, I think. So that's just a quick unboxing for you. Sorry it's a little long-winded. Hopefully this was useful to you. If it was, make sure you hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you are feeling so inclined, and I really appreciate it, guys. Anyways, guys, I'm CE Tech. You just got CE Tech. See you next time. Have a great day. Peace.